get mapping, post mapping annotations. Are you getting my point there, guys? Yeah, where is that? 515. Yeah. Old style is request mapping. New style is get map. Actually, we have multiple triplex mapping annotation which are useful in RESTful web service. Only get mapping and post mapping will be used in what? MVC. Why? For web application, who is the client? Browser. Browser can generate which mode request? Get and post mode request. Okay. Sir, for one handler method, if I write both get mapping and post mapping, which will be taken, right? Which will be taken. If I give both get mapping and post mapping, which will be taken? That really matters or not, guys? Okay. File, open. Here is my class content. Here is my what? Spring. Tell me next one. Here is my spring. Next one is what, guys? 515. NTSP-BMS 515. Tell me next one. Spring Boot MVC. What is our application? Session how much? For 6 and 7, right? Session 4 and 5. Session 6 and 7. Second application development and request path. I hope everyone developed second application easily. That's not a big thing, right? Yeah, if no request path is given, default is what? Slash. If no request path is given, default is slash. Today we have to discuss this. Post mapping report, get mapping report. First request path will be taken, second will be ignored. If we place multiple request path on same handler method, having both get mode, get and post modes, then first request path it will be taken and second request path will be ignored. And other request path will be ignored. Okay, let's see, guys. I'll take only one method now. I'll take only one method now. Get mapping request. Here what I am taking? Post mapping slash report. Get mapping slash report. Post mapping slash report. Okay, that's good. Get mapping slash report. Post mapping slash report. Yeah, it should work only get mapping. It should not work for post mapping. Anyhow, we have home page having one hyperlink, one submit button. So let's see what is the project we have, guys. This one, boot request path. Right click, tell me, run on server. Say next. Run on server, say next. Save finish. Here is my what? Show report, report one page. Here is my send. Send 405 error is coming. That means post is not taking, get is taking. Okay, that means it is taking only first one, not the second one. Remaining all are ignored or not, guys. I'm trying to cover every inch of the discussion, nothing else. Yeah, in web application, only get and post mode is possible. URL typed in browser address bar, get mode. Okay. Hyperlink generated request, get mode. Form can generate get mode or post mode. Get mode or what? Post. Okay. What happens if two handler methods of controller class is having what? Same request path and same request mode. Okay. You will get ambiguous error or not there. Already I have shown it. Already I have shown it. Same get mapping report, same get mapping report. Throws what? Exception. Throws what? Exception. Two handler method of same controller class or different controller class of a web application should not have what? Same request path and mode. Should not have same request path and mode. If you try to have, you will get error. Okay. H point. In Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC, maximum two methods can have what? Same request path. One method with get mode, another method with what? Post mode. One method with get mode, another method with what? Post mode. Maximum two methods can have same request path. Array, in F point, we have discussed about this or not there, guys. Refer above example given in what? F point. Spring MVC web application. So browser can give only get and post mode request. Spring REST, Spring Boot REST are what? RESTful application, distributed application. So the client application can give what? Get, post, put, patch, delete mode request, guys. Come on. In Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC, maximum two methods of controller class can be there without request path by taking what? Slash as the default request path. One with get mode, another with what? Post mode. One with get mode, another with what? Post mode. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay. One with get mode, another one with what? Post mode. Okay, mapped with the default request path slash get mode. Mapped with the default request path what? Post mode. So that means two things can have without request path. One with the get mode, one with what? Post mode. Come on guys, same thing now boss. When normal one can have without request path, here also it can have without request path. That's good. To generate request to abort handler methods of controller class dot slash get home page dot slash this one. Array, to get into home page, boss, home page is rendered by two. Okay, to generate hyperlink generate get mode one. This generates what? Post mode one. Dot slash we have to use. Okay, maximum two methods can be there without request path. One with a get mode, one with what? Post mode. Yeah, here what is there? @get mapping. What mapping, guys? @get mapping. Say paste. Home page one. What is there? Home page two. Season finder control. So home page one. Where is this? Home page two. Yeah, here is my what, guys? Post mapping. Here is my what, guys? Post mapping. Yes, guys. Get mapping. Show home page one. Show home page two. Show home page one. Show home page two. It's happening or not happening, guys? Show home page one, home page two. Welcome, welcome. Get mapping one side, post mapping one side. Right click, guys, run an server. Where is this? Tomcat 11. Say next, say finish. One minute. Okay. But we need to have hyperlink now, boss. Yeah. Go to report to kind of thing. Here, I'm trying to put what? Some hyperlink, home hyperlink. Where is that? Ahref dot slash. What is there? Home. BR. Form. What is there? Action is equal to dot slash. Method is equal to post. Where is this? Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to send. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to send. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Here is show report. Okay. Find season. 1 minute. How to get that home page, guys? There is no home page. 1 minute. It's a captain report 1. I'll keep these things in what? That page. Cut it. SRC main web app WebINF pages. Where is this, guys? Report to 1.jsp. Report to 1.jsp. That's good. Right click, guys. Run on server. Tomcat. Say next. Say finish. Show report. Yeah. Home working. Send button also working, right? Both are launching home page or not, guys? So that means maximum 2 methods can have without that one. Yeah, next one. What happens if two handler methods of two different controller classes having same request path? First one slash all. Second handler method of another controller class slash all. You will get exception or not, guys? Illegal state exception, ambiguity. Within the same controller class or across the multiple controller class of one web application. Two handler method cannot have same request path. Is that clear, guys? Come on. Two handler methods cannot have same request path. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Two handler methods cannot have same request path. The request path of controller class must be unique, either in same controller class or in what? Multiple controller classes belonging to a project. That means two handler methods of one or more controller classes of project should not have what? Same request path. Should not have same request path. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay. Then how to solve these problems are? And if two controller class handler methods are having same request path, but I want to differentiate them, then try to provide global path. What is that? Try to provide global path for each controller class. So to provide that global path on the top of the controller class, you have to use a request mapping annotation. What annotation, guys? On the top of the class, we have to use request mapping annotation. See, guys, here all. This is controller class 1, controller class 2. global path slash wish operation, global path slash test operation, slash wish operation slash test operation, right? Slash wish operation slash all, slash test operation slash all. Are you getting my point there or not there? Slash wish operation slash all, slash test operation slash all. Okay. So based on global path, we are able to differentiate it or not, guys? Okay, now let's see. I'll take two controller, this one. To avoid confusion, where is this? Java resources, or not this. Controller, where is this? Season finder operations controller. Forget about all this stuff. Home page, all these are okay, guys. Home page, all these are okay. That's good. Yeah, home page, request mapping or get mapping, all are one and the same. Let it be. Okay, keep everything commented. Here we'll take the same thing. Public string, what is there? Public string, show report one, return report one is the logical name. At the rate get mapping, what is there? Slash all. At the rate get mapping slash all. Okay, I'm trying to take another method pointing to report to in another controller class. Where is that? Another controller class. Right click. Where is this? Test operations controller. What controller, guys? Test operations controller. At the rate controller, let it be, guys. At the rate controller, tell me. At the rate request mapping slash test operations. Okay, now tell me here, say paste. At the rate get mapping, what is there? All. Okay, this is my method, test report to report to. Test operation get mapping slash all. This is my report one.jsp. This is my what? Report one.jsp. Report one page. This is my report one page. This is my report two.jsp. Total two JSPs are taken or not taken. Okay, that's great. See, right now, global paths I am taking. Test operations, all. But first one also should be differentiated now, boss. Okay. Here, what I do is, yeah, here we cannot use get mapping. You have to use global path means request map. Request mapping slash, tell me, season ops. What is there? Season ops. Okay, that's great. That's really, really great, guys. Right click, tell me. Run on server, say next, say finish. Yeah. 04 request paths, guys, right? What is there? 04 request path. Yeah, tell me. Season ops slash, tell me. Season ops slash, okay, all. Report to one page. That's good. See, next one, test ops, test ops slash all. Report to two page. One is report to one page, other one is what? Report to two page. It's happening or not, guys? Wish operation slash all sends request to show data method of wish message operations controller class. Test operation slash all sends request to what? Show all test method of what? Test controller class. Everyone getting my point there? Okay, guys, that's great. The request given to one handler method of one controller class can be forwarded to what? Another method of same handler class or different handler class by using forward triplex method, which internally uses what? rd.forward for forwarding request. This concept is also called handler method chaining. Already we discussed, but we discussed within the same handler class, right? Scenario one, we already discussed scenario one, guys. Okay, see this? Forward colon all. Request given to this handler method will be forwarded to what? Another handler method whose request path is all now, my dear. That is scenario one. Scenario two, you observe. Request given to what? First handler method of controller class will be forwarded to what? Will be forwarded to what? Come on. Will be forwarded to what, guys? Second controller class handler method. What method, guys? Second controller class handler method. Are you getting my point there or not there? Super. Return forward colon slash test operation slash all. It's forwarding to second one, boss. From the first one, it is forwarding to second one. Check it out whether it is happening or not. Okay, season apps. Go to the bottom, guys. Okay, tell me here. Test operations. What is there, guys? Test ops. Test ops colon. What is this? All. Test ops colon slash is required before? Yes. Okay. Forward colon slash test ops slash all. This is the one we have to use or not, guys? Yes. What is there, guys? Systrace. Okay, done. This is done. Test operations controller. What is there? Systrace. Are you getting my point there or not there? Yes. Okay, let's have a look on this. Request paths, guys. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. Yeah, request paths. Tell me. Season ops slash all. Enter key. Okay, report to two page came, not report one page. That means what? First one, first handler method of first controller class is forwarding request to what? Second handler. I have given request to first handler method only, but it is forwarding to what? Second handler method or not, guys? That means forwarding request mode of handler method chaining is possible within the same controller class and across the multiple controller classes. Did you realize that, guys? Okay, this internal uses rt.forward. So will use same request and response object. Communication is direct communication or not, guys? Communication is what? Direct communication. Same thing can be done by using redirection concept also, guys. Same thing can be done redirection also. Check it out. In forwarding request, when method one says forward colon all, it will forward to what? Method two. Communication is direct communication or not, guys? Okay. In send redirection, if method one says, what is there? Redirect all. When method one says what? Redirect all. Tell me what happens, guys. It comes to browser. From browser, it comes to destination method. Either in the same handler, same controller class or different controller. So source method will communicate with the destination method after having network round trip with what? Browser. Here, source method will communicate with the destination method. Come on, directly. So here source and destination will use same request and response object. Here source and destination will not communicate directly. So they will not use what? Same request and response object. They will not use what? Same request and response objects. Are you getting my point there, guys? Here, method 2 can be there either in same controller or in different controller of same MVC application. Source method and destination method must be belongs to what? Same web application. Are you getting my point there, guys? Here, method 2 can be there either in same controller or in different controller of same MVC web application or different MVC web application of same server or different server belonging to same mission or what? Different missions. Belonging to same mission or what? Different missions. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Source method and destination method can belong to what? Same or different classes of same application or different application running on same server or different server belonging to what? Same mission or what? Different mission. Okay, here let me try the same communication. Let me try with the redirection, guys. But one thing is there, guys. One small thing is there. In forwarding request mode of method chaining, source handler method, destination handler method must be there having same request to mode. Come on, guys. Same request mode should be there or not there. Same request mode must be there. In redirection, mode can be changed. Mode can be changed. Okay, let's try. Let's try, guys. Okay. Forwarding. Okay. Source is get. Source is get. Destination is post. Otherwise, I'll make it source itself post, guys. Come on. Source itself post. And I'll make destination as what? Get. Okay. What I'm using? Forwarding. Okay, na? Right. I'll go to home page, guys. I'll go to home page. There we have submit button now, boss. Forget about all this stuff. Here we have a submit button. In this submit button, tell me, which operations? What operations? Which operation? What is that? Season apps. Season ops slash report. Season ops slash report. It will send the request to what? Source controller class handler method or not, guys? Source controller class handler method are not there, guys. Come on, everyone. Action is equal to season apps report. Method is equal to post. Input type submit this one. Okay. Now that one it is forwarding to whom, guys? This. So post one is sending request to forwarding request to get mode handler method, right? Okay. So this is not possible. This is not possible. You will get error. Run on server. Say Tomcat. Say finish. Yeah, tell me, guys. Season ops all. What is there? Season ops all. Array, first welcome page is why welcome page is not coming, ra? Yeah, first, okay. Season ops, okay, enter. Welcome page should come. Yes. This send button. What's the error? Season ops all report. Season ops HR report is not there. We have all is there, right? Season ops all. It's all na boss. Yeah, but what I kept here, report I kept. Can I use all only? Yes. Can I use all only? Stop this. Right click, run on server, say this, say finish. Say this, say finish. Tell me here, what is this? Season ops. Okay. Home page has come. Click on send button. Yeah. Season ops all executed. But second one, okay. Show report one executed. That is not executing. Why? Because modes are not matching. Modes are not matched. Same, both must have same mode. Same communication I try to do by using what? Okay, redirect to colon. What colon, guys? Redirect to colon slash test API slash ops this. Yeah, with the forwarding request not happened, but with this one, let's see whether it is happening or not. That's good. Say next, say finish. Yeah. Tell me here, what is there? Huh? Season ops slash all season apps. First welcome page comes. Yeah, remove the slash. Click on what button? Send button. This is coming report to page. Both methods are executing. Yeah, what's the conclusion? In forwarding request mode of method chaining, handler method chaining, source handler method, destination handler method must deal with the same mode of request. Must deal with the same mode of request. In redirection mode of handler method chaining, source method and destination method can be there handling same mode of request, can be there handling what? Different modes of request. Can be there handling same mode of request, can be there handling what? Different mode of request. Are you understanding my statement, guys? This is another major difference, guys. Okay. Some certain places, source and destination will be there in the same method, same controller class, but still we use redirect. Why? Reason is source handler method is get, destination is post. So get to post, redirection only possible, forward not possible. Are you getting my point, guys? While performing, while performing, forwarding request mode of handler method chaining. Forwarding request mode of handler method chaining. What is this? Source handler method and destination handler method must be there dealing with the same mode of request. Dealing with the same mode of request. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Oh, okay. While performing, tell me. Redirection mode of handler method chaining. The source handler method and destination handler method can be there dealing with same mode of request or what is there, guys? Different modes of request. Same mode of request or what? Different modes of request. Are you getting my point? Yes. Okay. Now I am trying to find difference between what? Front controller and controller. I think somewhere else also I have given this, right? Fine. Front controller is dispatcher servlet. Controller means our regular @ controller class, right, boss? Front controller, one per entire project. Controller, one per module. Front controller, generally ready-made servlet in all frameworks. Dispatcher servlet is ready-made. Okay. Controller class, user-defined Java class. We only develop that one manually. Right? Okay. Front control responsible, trapping and taking the request and applying common system services, right? Okay. Controller class contains the logic to delegate the request to whom? Service DAO or directly process the request. Directly, but whatever it will handle the exception, guys. It is responsible to handle the exception. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Front controller. It is servlet component or servlet filter component. It is a Java class. It is one per project or what? Web application. It is generally taken on one per module basis. Contains servlet lifecycle methods like what? Init, service, destroy, directly or what? Indirectly. Contains user defined methods as handler method mapped with what? Request path. Simply literally mapped with what? Request path. Convinced, my dear? Come on, everyone. It acts as entry and exit point for all requests and responses. It contains request delegation logic for different URL based requests to send or delegate requests to service DAO classes, right? Will be instantiated and managed by what? Servlet container. Okay. Will be instantiated, managed by what? IOC container. Are you getting my point? Super. Identified with URL pattern like what? Slash, which traps and take all requests. Dispatcher servlet default URL pattern is what, guys? Slash. Identified with a global path given in what? Request mapping and handler methods. Or identified with a request path again giving using request mapping or XXX mapping annotation. These are identified with request path and global path, guys. Controller classes are identified with what? Global path. And handler methods are identified with what? Request path. Entire Spring MVC is designed around what? Dispatcher servlet. That means it controls the entire navigation. Also take care of what? Navigation management, view management, and model management. Handler mapping, view resolver, controller classes are helper classes of what? Front controller component. That's good. In most of the web frameworks, including Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC, the front controller servlet is what? Predefined servlet, like a dispatcher servlet. In any web framework based web application, controller or handler class is what? User defined. It is always controller layer component in MVC application. If business logics are, if business, if we place business logic in handler method of controller class, then it falls under what? Model layer. If we place delegation logic in the same handler methods, then it falls under what? Controller layer. Or if you directly write business logic, controller class comes under model layer. No, you are writing logics in service DAO, but controller class is having delegation logic to communicate with what? Service DAO. Then it is always called as controller layer component. And it's always recommended to use a handler class as controller layer component only. Okay, guys. Fine, boss. Okay, now. So we got complete control on what? Handler method now, boss. Okay, now again coming back to data rendering. The process of passing data from handler methods to view component is called data rendering. And this will be done through shared memory or not? It will be done through common shared memory. Guys, are you there? Okay. Okay, boss. No, don't even recognize he is there. Okay, boss. Tell me here, what is there? Passing different type of values. What is data rendering, boss? The process of passing data from controller class handler method to view component. View component through shared memory is called data rendering. Okay. Passing different kinds of data or values from controller components to view component using data rendering techniques. What is their model attribute? Model attribute. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Yes, boss. It is the process of what is this? Passing data from tell me, controller class handler methods. Controller class handler methods to uh, view components through shared memory. Through shared memory. Through shared memory. Nothing but binding aware model map object. What object? Binding aware model map object. Everyone getting my point there or not there? Okay. Passing simple values, passing collections and arrays, passing model class object, passing collection of model class objects. Passing collection of model class objects. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay, passing simple values. Passing simple values. Already we discussed this concept, guys. Come on. We already discussed. Okay, passing simple values from the beginning we are doing. Okay, now I am taking passing collections and what? Arrays. Shall we try this, guys? Okay. Yeah, I want to pass collections and what? This. Yeah, data rendering is there here, guys. Okay, copy this, paste it. What's the project number? 5. Data rendering POC. This is not a serious application. I'm calling it as what? POC. Whenever you copy paste the project, guys, we have to change the context path of the project. Definitely have to change what? Context path of the project. Yeah, where is this? Web project settings. What's the number, guys? 05. What is there? 0. Data rendering. What is there? POC. Apply, apply and close. Apply and close, guys. Everyone getting my point there or not there? Yes. Okay, simply apply and close. Yeah. Data rendering POC. This is there. Now tell me, what is there? 1 by. Here is my controller class, show home controller, whatever it is. Show home controller. Forget about all this stuff. Here somewhere, best handler method signature is there. Best handler method signature is there. Tell me here. At the rate, what is there? Get mapping. What mapping, guys? Java dot util dot. Why date? Okay, somewhere else date is there. Okay. Yeah, slash home. Model attributes. Okay, now we got a shared memory. We are going for model attribute. Okay, here a report page. Add model attributes. Yeah, first I want to add array, boss. We have to add array. Map dot put nicknames. Okay, now tell me here. What is this? New string array. Raja, Rani. Okay, nickname for Raja, Raja, King. Okay, what is this? Maharaj. Some nicknames I have given. Okay, array is the model attribute value or not there? Okay, guys, array is the model attribute value or not there? Map dot put. Map dot put. Friends. Friends. Here is what is there, guys? List dot off. Srinivas. What is there? Srinivas. Mahesh. Suresh. Array, I'm taking list dot off. Super, guys. Map dot put. Phone numbers, guys. Here is what? Set dot off. Set dot off. Tell me. 9L. All L. What is there? 7L. Java dot util dot set. Next. What is next? What is that, guys? That is okay. Map collection. So we need to all collections are done. Now what is there? Map collection. We have to think about going for map collection or not there. Yeah. Nicknames, friends, phones. Mm. Okay. Mm. Nicknames, friends, phones, ID details. Are Aadhaar key value pairs na? Here is my what, guys? Map.off. Map.off. Tell me Aadhaar. This is my Aadhaar number. Next, voter ID. This is my voter ID. Next, PAN card. This is my PAN card. PAN card. This is my PAN card. So things are happening or not there, guys. Okay, that's good. Yes, written report. It simply returns report or not, guys. Okay, but here I have to read and display the values. Read and display the values. SRC, main, web app, yes, pages, report.jsp. First of all, okay, I want to recognize expression language. That's good. Okay. Using expression language only, I will try to display model attribute. Bold, what is that? Model attributes. Okay. Are in list toString is there? Set toString is there? Map toString is there? They will be displayed nicely, right? But when I display through expression language, but array no toString by default. So you'll get some problem. I try to feel the problem, guys. Italic, what is there? Nicknames. Dollar flower bracket open. What is there? Nicknames array. Yeah. Okay. Next. Paste. Next one is what? Friends. Dollar. What is there? Friends. Next. Phones. Here, what is there, guys? Phones. That's great. Next one. What's the next one, guy? ID details. Here is what? ID. ID details, BR, AHREF. Tell me. Okay, right. Now, home page is not important. Fine. Whether they are coming or not, that matters for us, right? Okay. Right click, guys. Tell me. Run on server boss. Tomcat 11. Say next. Remove. Finish. Okay. Okay, guys. Tell me here, what is this? One. Yeah. Tell me here, what is this? HTTP localhost. HTTP localhost. Then tell me next one. HTTP localhost. I think why we should remember everything, not required. There is no need of me remembering everything. I think slash home. Output comes from report page. See, friends coming now nicely. Phones coming nicely, ID details coming nicely. Only array is not coming properly. Did you notice that, boss? Because in array, there is no toString method. In array, there is no toString method. Everyone getting my point there or not there? Nicknames, dollar nicknames, nicknames, dollar nicknames. Okay, what is the solution for this one? Any array can be converted into string by using arrays.toString. Come on, guys. Yes or no? Na? Okay, but arrays is the class that is available in util package. Come on. Import java.util.star. Here is my no expression language is not working. Percentile equal to what is this? Arrays.toString. What dot toString? Okay, arrays.toString. Tell me here. Arrays.toString. Arrays.toString. Here we have to read that nicknames, but you cannot directly write nicknames, right? Okay, all these internally request attributes, guys. Then we have to say what? Request dot get attributes of nicknames. Request dot get attribute of nicknames. Save this one, guys. Arrays dot toString. Multiple annotations found at single line. Okay. Arrays dot toString. It will convert anything into what? But actually it gives an object, boss, that we are converting into string array. I'm typecasting with a string array. I'm typecasting with a string array. That's great. Okay. Data rendering, run on server, say next, say finish. Yeah. Here, what is the one I am using, guys? Home. Then we are getting the things here, boss. Okay. But somehow we are writing Java code here. We are writing Java code here or not there? Yeah. To avoid Java code in JSPs, we need to work with the JSTL tags. What, guys? JSP standard tag library tags. Total 5 tag libraries are there. These tags are given to minimize or to avoid Java code from JSP. Total how many tags are types of tags? 5. 5 types of tags are core tag library, basic operation. If condition, for loop, variable declaration, everything can be done. Next, SQL tag library for database interaction. Formatting tag library, what is there? Okay, formatting, to format the content, boss. It is useful to format the content, right, boss? Formatting means what? Date format, number format, this kind of thing. Next one, XML tag to format the XML content. Functions, it has got string manipulation functions. Tag library is a library that contains set of JSP tags. In JSTL total, how many tag libraries are there? 5. Core for basic operation, SQL for a database operation, formatting to format the numbers and other stuff. Next one. Okay, XML to process XML, function to manipulate the strings. To manipulate the strings. Okay, guys. Now listen carefully. Every tag library is identified with its tag lib URI. Okay, fixed tag lib URIs are there, and you have to import them at the top of the JSP page by using what? @ tag lib tag. What tag, guys? by using @tag lib tag. Simply by using @tag lib tag. Convinced, my dear? Okay, now listen carefully. Writing Java code in JSP pages is not good practice. So use what? JSTL tags and EL together to avoid or minimize Java code in JSP page. To avoid or minimize, what is there? Java code in JSP page. To avoid or minimize Java code in JSP page. To avoid or minimize Java code in JSP page. JSTL tags are useful for programmer to make the JSP pages as what? Java codeless JSP pages and to improve readability of the JSP pages, right? Okay. To improve readability of the JSP pages. Okay, guys, come on, everyone. Right. To use a JSTL in our JSP pages. Okay, first of all, total how many tag libraries are there? 5. JSTL, JSP standard tag library. It gives how many tag libraries? 5. Core, SQL, formatting, XML functions. Core for basic programming, SQL for database connectivity, formatting for formatting numbers, currency, and etc. XML for processing XML content, function for string manipulation. Okay. Simply for what? String manipulation. Next one. JSP tag library is a library where set of JSP tags are placed. Okay, next one, guys. JSP tag library is like what? Java package. JSP tag library is like what? Java package. Every JSP tag library is identified with its what? Tag lib URI. In JSP page or file, the JSP tag library can be imported by specifying its what? URI with the support of what? @tag lib URI dot tag. @tag lib URI dot tag. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Super. Simply with the support of what? @tag lib URI dot tag. Okay, this you have to import, guys. Tell me, total how many tag libraries are there? 5. Okay, can I give the tag lib URIs of all the tags, guys? Okay, 1 minute. Okay. Every JSP tag library is identified with its, what guys? With its tag lib URI. Is identified with its tag lib URI. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Okay. The 5 JSP tag library URIs are. The 5 JSP tag library URIs are. Okay, guys. Tell me. Core. What is the core, guys? So everything, guys. Tell me here. This is the core tag library. This is my core tag library URI, guys. Oh, again problem started. If I select, it is closing off. Why, I don't know. Yeah, whatever it is, say paint. Simply say paint, guys. File open. Yeah, what is there? Session. Request paths done. 6 and 7 over, na? 6 and 7 is going on, right? Okay. Okay. JSTL, what is this? Tag library name. Next one, tag lib URI. Tag library name, tag library. Tag lib URI. Okay. What is the tag library name, guys? Name core tag library. What is the URI, guys? Here is the URI. I hope I'm able to select it this time. Come on. What's happening, guys? Let me save the doc. Okay, I'll collect from ChatGPT then. I'll collect from ChatGPT and paste it. JSTL tag library URIs. JSTL tag library URIs. Yeah, every tag library is having its own URI now, boss. Okay. This is a formatting. And if you get one thing, you can prepare everything, boss. Don't worry. If we have one thing, we can prepare everything. Only last word is change. Okay, that's good. File open. 6 and 7. File open 6 and 7. Okay. JSTL, tell me. Tag library. Tag library URI. JSTL tag library URI. What is there? Core. Here is my paste. JSP, JSTL, what is there, guys? Core. Next. Formatting. What is there? Format. Here is my say formatting. Next. SQL. Here is my what? SQL. Next one, XML. Okay, here is my XML. Next time, what is there, guys? Functions. Here is my functions. That's what I'm saying. If you know one thing, we can write everything. It's all about changing the last parts. It's all about changing the last parts. Okay, that's great. Tell me here, what is the story there? What is the story that we need to understand, guys? Show home controller, guys. Show home controller. Now, report.jsp. I want to work with the JSTL tags. First of all, you have to go to pom.xml. You need to add relevant jar file here or not there. It won't be available as a starter, guys. You have to collect from mvnrepository.com website. What website, guys? mvnrepository.com. Okay. mvnrepository.com. Tell me here, what is the story? JSTL. Search. What is there, guys? JSTL search. Okay. No, that's an old one, guys. We nowadays got Apache JSTL. We have to use what? Apache J. Apache JSTL 11 version. Select it, paste it. That's the number one. Okay. Number two, go to report.jsp. In this example, I think core tag library is sufficient. No need of importing this because I'm trying to remove Java code completely from here. No more Java code. Is there any need of importing package there? No. Yeah, tell me. At the rate, uh, tag lib. What is this tag? Whoever at the rate symbols are there, they are called directive tags. See, we are getting help core tag library. Prefix is equal to C. Why prefix, guys? I am trying to import so many tag libraries, guys, by mentioning their URIs. 2, 3 tag libraries may have same tag. That time I can differentiate those tags using prefixes or not, guys. I can differentiate those tags using what? Prefixes or not, guys. I want reply, my dear. Come on. Okay, guys. Okay, boss. Tell me. Core tag library prefix is equal to C. Here is the story, guys. Here is the story. Done. C colon if. What is that? C. Condition checking, guys. C colon if. Dollar floor bracket. Not empty. Okay, not empty. What is their nicknames? If nicknames is not empty. If nicknames is not empty. Tell me, guys. Nicknames. What is this? Dollar floor bracket. What is there, guys? Nickname. C colon if test. Dollar not empty. Tell me. Okay, friends. Here is what? Friends. Next, guys. Say paste. Dollar not empty. What is next one? Huh? Dollar not empty. Phone, phones. Phones. I think we have taken phones. Are you getting my point there? Okay. Yeah. Array, for all these things, okay, but for array, it is not okay, na? For array, we have to write a for loop kind of thing. Yeah, now here for array, we can write a for loop like this. What is there? C colon for each. C colon for each. Tell me, guys. For remaining thing, two string is there, we can print directly. But when it comes to array, you have to print it. Yeah, where is equal to array enhanced for loop? Where is equal to name? Each iteration name holds. Items is equal to tell me dollar. What is there, guys? Nicknames. Okay, items nicknames. Dollar name. Here is my BR. Dollar name. Here is my what? BR. Convinced, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yeah, dollar phones. Tell me next one. BR. Here is my not empty. What details, guys? ID details. Not empty. What details, guys? ID details. Here is my ID details. Here also I am looking for ID details. Here also I am looking for ID details. That's good. Data rendering IOC. Tell me. Run on server. Say next. Okay. I think somewhere friends. Here we have to change to phones or not. So we avoided Java code, guys. Everything we are writing through tags only, na? Yeah, that's the beauty of JSTL. JSTL helps us to avoid or minimize Java code in our JSP pages. To avoid or minimize Java coded in what? JSP pages. Are you getting my point there or not? Right click, tell me this. Yeah, say next, save finish. Say next, save finish. Tell me here what is there? Here is what? Who? Enter. Happily coming, na boss. Nicknames are coming, friends are coming, phones are coming, ID details are coming. Did you notice that? Did you realize that, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not? Okay, that's good. Yeah, same thing. If you want, you can use everywhere for loop also. For remaining things also, you can use for loop, guys. That's up to you. For remaining things also, I used it for loop, but actually not required. Two string is there. For array, no option, you have to write the for loop. So everything we are able to write through tags or not, guys. Yeah, this helps us to make JSP pages as what? Java codeless JSP pages or not, guys. Okay, next one is what? One technical, say, generally it won't happen. It happens, you have to do this one. Sometimes what happens, we run the application, web app folder will not be moved to deployment because of some technical reasons, some system settings. In the deployment of Spring Boot MVC web application, if the content of web app folder is not moving to what? Root folder of the web application, then we need to perform what? Some explicit configuration as shown below. Explicit configurations as shown below. Are you getting my point? Yeah, what are those, guys? Right click on the project, properties, deployment assembly, then what? Add, folder, SRC main web app, observe SRC main for mapping to something. So you have to map this one folder, guys. Then only the content, but by default it will go, guys. If at all you feel, though you JSP is there, everything is there. If it is not moving, then you have to do this work explicitly or not, guys. Okay, right now we don't have that problem. That's why we need not to do that work. So today we completed what? How to pass arrays and collections as model attributes from handler method to view component, right? But still, we have Java being model class object. How to pass model class object as what? Model attribute. How to pass collection of model class objects as what? Model attribute. Okay, once we do that, with that I can say data rendering part is completed. What is completed? Data rendering part is completed. Then data binding. How we are passing results from handler method to view component. If any inputs are coming along with the request, maybe form data, maybe request parameter values, they need to be bind to handler methods or not, guys. They need to be exposed to handler methods or not, guys. For that also we need to do some programming part or not, boss. Come on. We need to do some explicit programming part or not, guys. So now let's do how to do that work when we meet in what? Next class. Okay. Yeah, I already said uh till this till this what? Friday. Regular classes will be there. Saturday, Sunday, you'll be having sessions on what? Spring Boot batch. That thing nothing but batch